How to see links you've visited on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen in here. Then simply click on your activity in here. After that, scroll down in your activity and click on Link History, which is the last option. In here, you will find all the links you've visited on Instagram. There's no link history in mine because I have not visited, but if you had one, you would find it in here. And this is how to see links you've visited on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.